Hello everyone! Today we're going to be making cards with the Griffin Finishing School Craft Box. Yay! So I just received this in the mail. Let's go ahead and open it up and get started. So here's our box, and inside you have your card blanks, or what are these? I better look. Inside you have your card toppers. Really, really pretty. Nice pattern. Very masculine, very 4th of July. Very celebratory. Very, very nice. So those are the card blanks, or toppers. These are the card toppers. Here we have the card blanks. They're all square, as you can see. So we will be making a lot of square cards. Seems to be the theme for the year. I love that sunburst pattern. With a lot of gold foiling going on, which is definitely her thing. This one's super fun. I love it. Amazing. And you could probably interchange these with the china cabinet box if you have that one too. So we have our sentiments. Let's celebrate, for my husband, for my favorite guy, best wishes, lots of embellishments, stars and stripes forever. And we have swirls and stars and bunting. Ooh, look at that one. I love that. And different things here. Gold foiling. Lots of amazing embellishments. Banners. We have our signature matte gold foil. Oh, the best part. Dies. And these are the dies, and this is the embossing folder. Very, very fun. And then we have a lot of circular die cuts. Red circles and blue circles and light blue circles and really fun shaped circles, ivory and gold circles, more fun shaped ones, really pretty blue ones, and red. There you go. So let's get started making a card. We're going to start with the dies that came in the kit. Take a matte gold foil cardstock and put the largest circle in the center. Then the inner circle put on a blue striped cardstock from out of the kit. I then use all 4 bows on the corners so that I can have the corner bows to place on my card. These bows are so cute. I just love them, and I'm so happy that we have 4 of them. The absolute center die is going to go in the middle of the gold foil to gut out that center, because we're not going to see it. It's going to get covered up. Place that all inside of your Empress machine. I'm using my large plates just so I can cut it all out at the same time. And now we have our cuts. these are all of the pieces that I cut out of just using the dies. Everything else that I use on the card will be embellishments from the card kit. I am going to emboss the front of the card that I chose, this red one with the blue flag banners going all over it, just to give the card a little bit of dimension. I'm going to put that through my regular size Empress plates and run that through the Empress machine. This circle is really pretty, but won't it be even better if we send it through this embossing folder and put this pattern on it? Yes, I think so. Let's go ahead and do that. It's going to be really pretty when it comes out. Exactly what I wanted. It just gives it so much more dimension. It just makes it pop, gives it that wow factor. It's just so much more than it was before. So make sure you're embossing some of your die cuts. All that's left is to put this card together. I am going to put the music on, add all of my embellishments, and I'll come back with the finished card. This card is stunning. It came out way better than I ever had imagined. I was thinking I'm not really in the mood for 4th of July, but oh my gosh, I am now, even though it's only May. But it's so celebratory, so fun, so interactive. Definitely get this kit. You'll absolutely love it.